Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about what is AJAX and how do we use it. AJAX stands for Asynchronous JavaScript and XML. It is a technique used to create dynamic and interactive web application by allowing web page to be updated asynchronously by exchanging small amount of data with the server behind the scene. This means that it is possible to update parts of a web page without reloading the whole page. How AJAX work? Event occur. A JavaScript event occur like a button click. Second, create an XML HTTP request object. This object is used to exchange data with a server. Configure and the request. Set up the request with the desired method, get or post, URL and other parameters. Send the request. Send the request to the server. Receive the response. The server process the request and send back a response. Process the response. JavaScript processes the server's response and updates the web page accordingly. Example, fetching data from a server. Here is a simple example of how to use AJAX in JavaScript to fetch data from a server. Here is the basic head. Then we are using a script. Here we are defining the JavaScript code function load data. Create the XML HTTP request object where HTTP new XML HTTP request. Define a callback function HTTP XHTTP on ready state change function if this dot ready state equal to 4 and this dot state status equal to 200. Update the web page with the response text. Document dot get element by id data inner HTML equal to this dot response text. Configure the request x http dot open get data dot text true. Send the request x http dot send. As to AJAX example button type button on click load data. Data will be loaded here. Explanation. The HTML includes a button and a div element where the data will be displayed. JavaScript function. The load data function is defined to handle the AJAX request. Create XML HTTP request object where HTTP equal to new XML HTTP request. Define callback. The onReady state change event is used to specify that what should happen when the server response is ready. When the response is received and the success is 200, okay. The inner HTML of the div with ID data is updated with the response text. Configure request x http open get data.text true sets up the request in this case it is get request to fetch data.text. Send request x http send means sends the request to the server. When the button is clicked, the load data function is executed, making an AJAX request to fetch the content of data.text and display it in the div. AJAX allows web application to run more smoothly by only updating parts of web page, improving the user interface experience. This is all about AJAX. In next video, we will talk about how do we implement local storage and session storage. This is very important topic. So let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.